Good morning. I am Everlyn P. Cañaveral. I live in Lemery, Batangas, Philippines, and I am an active member of the Republic of Bitcoin. I provided help last November 14, 2015 with the amount of $2,170 and it became $2,961.81 after 2 months. Last November 29, 2015, I provided a help of $760 and it became $861.33 after 1 month. I also have $300 last December 12, 2015 and it became $350 after 1 month. $500 for December 19, 2015. I provided help of $300 last December 28, 2015 and the last of $700 last January 5, 2016. A total provided help of $5,673.14 running from my Extra, but my Get Help amount came from my hard and bonus from my testimonial videos, which is different from my other Get Help requests of accrued interest. This bonus amount is $210, which break down as follows. November 15, 2015, bonus for the testimonial video, $116.50. December 1, 2015, bonus for the testimonial video, $38.50. December 14, 2015, bonus for the testimonial video, $58. The order was created January 22, 2016, and I received the amount January 23, 2016 in my Bitcoin wallet. This is really the best site where you can depend on in times of need. Thank you, MMM.